Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to downgrade plan in Monday.com 2026. First, log into your Monday.com account as you normally would. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand panel where all your boards are listed. Select any board you'd like to work with and open it. If you prefer, you can use a test board so you don't risk changing anything important while practicing. With your board open, let's make a small change that we can undo. For example, click into a text cell and type something new, update a status, change a date, or rename an item. The specific change doesn't matter, just make sure it's something easy to recognize later. Now, go to the top right corner of your board and click the three-dot menu, the More Options icon. From the drop-down menu, select Activity Log. A panel will slide open on the right side of your screen. This is your activity log, a timeline showing everything that's happened on the board, including who made each change and when. Scroll through the list and find the change you want to undo. Each entry will describe the action, such as a text update, status change, or item movement. Once you've found the correct entry, look to the right side of it and click the Undo button. Monday.com will instantly revert that change to its previous state. You can then check your board to confirm everything has been restored. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.